adventure to get this car. I gotta run to U-Haul and get a trailer, and then run up to Holly Hill to pick up this little thing. So, I don't have enough battery to do a driving time lapse like I keep wanting to do, because my stupid self didn't grab my inverter for my phone charger, so we're slow charging through the Titan. It's always something, but I got the cash. I just gotta go get a trailer, and then we go get the car. No! Alright, we done got the U-Haul, got about 10 miles, and we will be at the car. I am excited and nervous, because this is not something I have any experience with, nor does anybody else I know. It's a very obscure little car, like I said in the teaser video, but everyone's gonna be excited. So, I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting anymore. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it here. Shane's work.
I like it.
Shane and Pro Man. So, I guess I can finally tell you guys about the car, huh? It is a 1988 Yugo GV.
Say what?
Alrighty, so
Wow, the spares in the
there's
engine, baby.
no radiator, you are right, but here's our little seized up engine because it's been sitting for years. Yep. Nope, yep. That's it. Janky as hell. So, this man's the reason for this mostly, because we're gonna do the 2000 Grassroots Challenge competition thing with it. But that's gonna go away.
I hope the engine and transmission can fit in here. Oh, this is actually a 4-cylinder. I thought there were 3 cylinders.
Yes. This is a 1 point. But here she is.
You know what? It'd be super convenient to get our hands on like a Hayabusa drivetrain or something.
Yeah. But here she is. She's a little rusty. That rim leaks like crazy. That exhaust we're not going to use, which is good because it's shot.
It's like the easiest heater core to change ever.
Shane's getting all happy about it. It is a lovely brownish color. Some sort of beige. I can't zoom out any further with this 60 frames a second shit. Yeah, that's the heater core.
The heater core's so easy to change. I have a feeling we're gonna have to cut a lot of stuff.
You think?
Ooh, this uses 2-bolt pattern. I wonder if we can make Civic coilovers work on this.
Well, look how narrow this thing is. Like, you see it's sitting here, barely on the ramp, over there, about an inch away from it. Little distributor.
They don't know about the plan for the engine, you know, do that.
No, they do not.
I like the way these engine...
I wish I brought my gimbal with me. I totally forgot. So we got shake cam hardcore for the first half of this video.
I like the way these engine mounts bolt up, because we could probably just use that as a thing to go off of. Just bolt up some flat plate.
So for those of you that don't know, that turbo KA24 DEA I've had sitting in my storage unit forever.
Hello there.
We're gonna try to put it in here.
Zastava.
Yeah, that's the actual manufacturer, not Yugo.
Made in Yugoslavia.
Hence Yugo.
Ooh, we gotta keep the interior the way it is. Damn, it doesn't have a clean dash?
No.
What the hell?
Calm down.
It smells like a...
Smells like a 1988 Yugoslavian car. Yes, I'm aware.
It's weird, it smells like my Z. My Datsun. That's weird.
80 shit boxes. They all have a smell. Yes, it came with horseshoes. I don't know why, but I didn't say anything.
Well, I mean, we can play some games whenever we're done.
But look at all that cargo room back.
The blower motor and everything? Just...
Probably.
These cars, you know, these cars new are like $3,500. Customer states slight exhaust leak.
Yeah, under here is as rusty as you can think. Look at the exhaust. That is strange.
It's really not that bad.
No, it is the exhaust. And one leaf spring for the whole rear end.
Ooh, we're gonna have to figure that one out.
Yeah. We can just run a coil over here, because look, that looks like a normal front stroke.
Oh yeah,
kinda.
you can get like a McPherson, like a 240 style probably.
Yeah.
You could use like a 240 or something. Maybe
Yeah.
BMW.
These are the backup lights. At least it has a rear bumper. But these are one of those cars that you don't see ever.
You don't need that either. Wow, even like cheap door panels. Unless there was.
Those are factory. Those are factory. Careful. There's no door. Oh, there is a door stop.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wonder how fat man friendly it is. I'm gonna get it on the driver's side.
Why not? Why not? Oh, because the Panama Jack sign? Which I got, that Panama Jack sign worth the price of admission. That side's got the window roll up and everything. Which is backwards, by the way, compared to your normal car.
Oh yeah, this shit's spacious. Holy shit.
That's because there's no safety features, Shane. I'm surprised it has seatbelts.
I could drive this, like...
You're like 2 inches from the roof, by the way.
It's reclined. I'll put a helmet on. I'll roll both the seats to the floor.
Who knows?
Because if I'm 2 inches from the ceiling, I'm sure you're gonna be like...
Want to switch and find out?
The seat moves a little bit, by the way.
Are you gonna grab the camera or what? It's shaky 60 frames a second. I didn't sit in it, we just pushed it up here. This is about normal.
Yeah, we're gonna have to definitely bolt the seat to the floor and move it backwards. It's already bolted to the floor, actually. Not bad.
It's not as bad as most.
There's tons of room behind it to like move the seat back.
Or we can
I feel like we should definitely keep all the interior.
Yeah, as messed up as it is. What? I want to.
Oh, it's got the factory roof rack.
Yes, it does. It has a factory roof rack.
Why am I so excited for this?
I don't know. This is the most excited I've seen you about somebody else's fucking car. I got the key, which works.
Oh, it came with an extra head gasket?
Yes. Oh, I can record in wide angle. Oh, this makes my life so much easier.
My phone records in wide angle like by default.
Listen, I've had this phone a week, okay?
But that's an S10, right?
Yes.
You're still S9. I'm a peasant.
I didn't have wide angle in my S9 Plus. There's some wiring, some other
Random
stuff.
shit that we're not gonna use.
Back in lines. Shane found factory documentation that said they made it convertible. Seats go down. I'm surprised this thing's got
We can
seatbelts.
fit a whole motor in the back of this.
People have done it.
All-wheel drive?
No, there's a picture online. Someone shoved V8 with the transaxle back here to make a worse death trap that we're going to. Well, maybe we're gonna have so much torque steer.
It'll be okay.
Yeah, I don't know how this works.
We'll figure it out. It pops off. It's just plastic cover.
Rubber.
Oh, the back windows pop out. This car's so cool.
So,
There it is. Oh.
so
Hi, Dad and brother.
is that Zach?
Yeah.
I haven't seen him in ages. Yeah, this is the Yaga. This is my new dumb shit. And then I'll be able to fit it in the storage unit. All right, we'll call it here, guys.
The next day.
And we're here at Shane's.
Wow.
Hugo's dropped off. There's Lee.
You know who I really got?
Yeah, I told you when I almost got in the accident, that's the screwed up one. But we have the eBay one still. And most of my eBay turbo kit, a bag of clothes. And you left your lights on, I think. I think that's some sort of USB interface for the computer. I don't know, man. It was on the engine when I bought it. I think he was saving your battery. I don't know what that is. Shane,
Wait, before you take the battery out, let me move the car.
am I in the way?
No, I'm gonna put it over there.
Yeah. But, like I said, we got the Yaga over here at Pro-Man now. It's gonna eventually make its way inside, hopefully. He's just, as you can see, a little busy. Uh-oh, Shane's talking about the engine. What?
It doesn't use a cable shift linkage.
What does it use?
Rods, like a B-series.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to get an Ultima shift linkage. That's the only thing missing, and then see where it mucks up to. If I have to show it, I'll show it.
Ah, yes, I see. But that's the engine mount that was on there still, the trans mount. And there's a computer, I think. I don't know if that's the one for this or not, it's just there.
That's the bigger eBay turbo.
Oh, I thought it was the same one Lee had.
Yeah, it's the same one Lee has. Well, Lee's back housing is a little bigger because he's got the 3582R. This is a 7363. His is a 7082.
Yeah, this I bought months and months ago, last year actually, from my old job, and it's just been in my storage unit ever since, and I never had anything to do with it until...
What if there's an aftermarket intake manifold to get, and how much of that shit we can strip off of it?
That is a lot of shit on there. But we got the Yugo, and it's...
Oh good, it needed a distributor anyway.
Yes, I noticed that. And you wanted to put the Honda one on there anyway, so that thing's itty bitty too, because it's external coil. But the Yugo is in its resting place until it actually runs, per his request.
Pretty easy.
It's pretty easy, my ass. We have to make everything.
With a welder and enough metal, you can make anything work.
Yes, because this man wants to put a splitter, canards, and a wing on that Yugo. There.
Don't forget we're getting the flares from Zach's dad too.
Yeah, I saw that. So, those of you that don't know,
Huh?
one of his co-workers is a friend of mine that I haven't seen in years. And his dad, really cool, has a set of 4-inch fender flares for the Yugo for some reason. And he's just giving them to us because he got it for free. And he's going to give it to us for free, even though we probably could have paid like $100-something for it. I got wide angle camera, so I just turned the thing around to look at because I don't have my damn phone gimbal with me. Return of shake cam.
What clutch is in it? And we should buy like the $90 eBay special stage 5 or whatever for it.
Completely unsprung 6-puck.
That's what I had in the CRX. It was $98. 6-puck unsprung.
I mean, look at the bright side. I don't even know
what weighs 1,800 pounds. The transmission shouldn't have any issues.
Still, the engine was only $200.
So that puts us at $350.
Yep. Between a $150 Yugo and a $200 engine. And I don't remember, the turbo kit came with the engine.
I'm gonna try to make it work with stock mounts. That way, if anything breaks, we can just use stock Ultima mounts.
Yeah. Works for me. Well, it doesn't have a mount on the other side. Oh, no.
It has a bracket for one. So I'll just build off of that.
Yes. There. And then this.
I don't know what that is.
I want to say it's some sort of engine mount. I've been using it for a leverage to lift. And then there's a mount back here, just missing the metal part. And then there's one right down there as well, which is bent because I ran the engine lift into it.
Make that solid.
Yeah.
Front and rear is going to be solid, and then...
You know, we could probably remove the power steering.
What are you pointing at?
Power steering. Sorry, I just rested my hand on here. Because it's got power steering. It's got whatever this is. I don't know what this one is. Actually,
that's just an idler pulley.
This might be.
Oh, that is power steering.
This one's power steering. This one's an idler pulley, you said, but it's got something on it. This is an idler pulley. You can put the tailgate down.
Oh, that's the water pump.
Okay, alternator.
So we should probably change that. Not immediately, but
extra pulley
for the AC compressor. That's how you tension the AC compressor go.
We don't need AC in the Batmobile. Turbo feed line is stainless.
A Synapsis wastegate.
Yeah, like I said, I had the blow-off valve and I sold it to TJ. But we have. Hey, I think this is a blow-off.
Yeah, it is.
Some random connectors, some U-pipes, other pieces that I didn't use on other vehicles.
Hopefully the spring in the wastegate's not too fucking crazy. There's only one way to find out.
Yes.
Overall, this motor's not that wide.
No.
Measure from crank pulley to the end of the transmission.
So
which technically that could sit under the subframe, or we can notch it.
Well, so like what I read with everything is the heads are narrower on these than the rear-wheel drive ones, which makes it good for us because we need as small as we can get.
Kind of want to get a pair of stock Ultima axles. That way.
Yeah. So, question
well, actually,
with that.
we'll use Ultima inners. What I'll do, the axle shop's right there. I'll use Ultima inners and then take those axles to them and measure what we need.
Oh yeah, we can see the axles are
and say
shot.
I need this end and this end with this length.
Yeah. They'll be like, the fuck is this outer off of?
Don't worry about it. At least the turbo manifold looks like a decent manifold, so.
public. Looks like somebody spent some time on it.
My buddy says these can make 350 stock unopened.
Huh?
My buddy says these can make 350 stock unopened.
And I don't know what's in this.
And technically, if we do, well, when we do the Honda stuff, we can do boost by gear and all that stuff, because that shit's gonna fucking...
Yeah, so we're putting a Honda distributor and wiring harness to run a Honda computer, so you can tune it without much issue.
I think we can even try to put a fucking Honda alternator on it, so it's like close.
Do what now?
The alternator,
Ah.
which is probably gonna have to be changed from sitting.
Yeah, so this is the... Here, pop this open real quick. Damn slow close.
That's cut?
That got cut, yeah. I picked it up like that. But you can see they spent some time making this go into here like it did.
That sucks because we're not gonna use any of that.
Well, that's fine. You just gotta unbolt it and it's out. This is for the Ultima.
I wish we could turn the turbo around, but whatever.
Okay, why not? You're thinking of putting it 90 degrees with the intake straight out the front, yeah.
Yeah.
I recognize that look.
Yeah. I can buy 2 of these T3 things and a 3-inch pipe and bolt it, tack it, and then rotate the other one and tack it, and then it'll rotate the turbo around.
This is why you come to Froman Garage for stuff. 'Cause he's always got some crazy ideas that are just as crazy as putting a KA24 in a Yugo.
That water pipe for the water pump kind of scares me, but either way we can work around it.
Nah, it's fine. Oh, that goes all the way over here.
Yeah.
Up to here.
Huh? I don't know.
Nissan problems.
Alright. What time is it?
110.
I have 30 minutes.
How's it going, guys? Thanks for watching the video here. I know it's a little bit longer, but there's a lot of stuff to go over. So, that was the Yugo. And I'm looking forward to working on it just about as much as Shane is. And if you guys are looking forward to it too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on the project of the Blatmobile. That'll do it for now. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
Bye, have a great time.